you've got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed.
I don't sing, y'all sing. I'm too mean.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Michael. Happy birthday to you. Spank 'em. Spank 'em. Bend over.
I do.
You're gonna sing Promiscuous Girl, but you can't sing any on Chocolate Sluppy. I don't know that. That's where you're right.
You're lying. You sang the whole show part.
Better have a dance routine. I want to see some choreation here.
You gotta sing, dude. That's you right there. Sing it. You're supposed to sing that shit. Go back. Go fuck up a white tree. There's no lyrics. You sing it.
Make it happen.
Shake that ass. Let's go. Hold on.
Shake it. Touch each other.
The one dude that has like a fucking name.
Sing it, Jake. Yeah. You're ready.
Jake's ready.
Baby, come here. No, we all went down there. We all got down
Yeah. He's coming to every job of mine now, buddy. Yeah. I'm a
Let's go party.
Woo!
Let's go
Shake it. Yeah. Here, kid, record.
y'all know.
You will, though.
Oh, Canada.
You gotta be the song you know.
Song you know.
What song do you know? You guys want to hear?
Baby Shark.
There you go, Part of USA. That's a good one.
We can do that. Part of the USA.
The Canadian anthem, baby.
SpongeBob SquarePants.
I kissed a girl.
And
Miley Cyrus.
Yeah, Miley Cyrus.
That's the one. You got lyrics in
Poker
that?
face.
You got lyrics there? We gotta like
There you go.
serenade each other.
I'm gonna get you a mic. Oh my God, I'm so excited.
Hold on. Y'all ready for this? Are you ready for this?
I'm ready for it.
Mama.
you only got one mic? You don't have two?
Just the one.
Okay. There you go.
I'm done playing at LAX with a dream and a cardigan. Walking to the land of feminine. Jumped in. So crazy. Everybody seems so famous. I'm feeling homesick. Too much pressure and I'm nervous. There's a text message on the radio. The 80s song was on. And the 80s song was on. And the Jay-Z song was on. Put my hands up and play my song. The butterflies fly away. I'm nodding my head like yeah. Moving my hips like yeah. I got my hands up and play my song. I'm gonna be okay.
Party in the USA.
Yeah! It's a party in the USA!
This is what the inside of the van sounds like when you're on top.
Man, I like the damn song.
good.
I like Reba. I love Fantasy. That's a great damn song.
My grandma
Shut up, you fuck.
Your grandma puts you there?
grandma put me on.
Well, your grandma did something right.
How would have removed?
Well, mine is too, but she's still with you, I promise you. Ladies and gentlemen, y'all give it that one time by Lexus.
Lexus.
I remember it all very well, looking back, 'cause the summer I turned 18. We lived in a one-room, run-down shack on the outskirts of New Orleans. We didn't have money for food or rent, to say the least. We were hard-pressed. Mama spent every last penny we had to buy me a dance dress. Mama watched and combed and curled her hair, then she painted my eyes and lids. Then I stepped into a satin dancing dress, and I slipped the side clean up to my head. It was red, velvet trimming, and it fit me good. Standing back from the looking glass, there stood a woman where an outgrown kid had stood. Said, here's your one chance, fancy, don't let me down. Here's your one chance, fancy, don't let me down. Mama, Dad, a little bit of perfume on my neck, then she kissed my cheek. Then I saw the tears welling up in her troubled eyes as she started to speak. She looked at her pitiful shack and then she looked at me and took a ragged breath. She said, your paws runned off and I'm real sick and the baby's gonna starve to death. She handed me a heart-shaped locket that said, if thine own self be true. And I shivered as I watched the roach crawl across the toe with my high heel shoes. It sounded like somebody else that was talking, asking, Mama, what do I do? She said, just be nice to the gentleman, fancy. They'll be nice
Scuba.
to you someday.
Hey,
Somebody.
what's the best part about working for Lightning Bug Electric?
You know, I might have been born just
people.
plain white trash, but
That's a good one.
Don't
Love you. Love you. Christian, what's the best part about working for Lightning Bug Electric? Daniel, what's the best part about working for LBE?
You know what? You know what it is? It's this guy right here.
This guy.
This guy.
Nice.
Yeah, this guy right here.
Yes. Word up. Christian, what's the best part about working for Lightning Bug Electric?